Ready? Exercise number 65, legal matter. Start. The criminal cases pertaining to honor killing or violence to the couples shall be tried before the designated court/fast track court earmarked for that purpose. The trial must proceed on day-to-day basis to be concluded preferably within 6 months from the date of taking cognizance of the offence. We may hasten to add that this direction shall apply even to pending cases. The district judge concerned shall assign those cases as far as possible to one jurisdictional court so as to ensure expeditious disposal thereof. Stop. Next para. In order to implement the recommendations of the Law Commission in its 242nd report, the state of Rajasthan has enacted the Rajasthan Prohibition of Interference with the Freedom of Matrimonial Alliances in the Name of Honor and Tradition Act 2019 on the same lines. In the interest of liberty and dignity of young men and women in choosing their life partners and in the interest of peace, tranquility and equality in the society, it is eminently necessary that the directions issued by this court in Shakti Vahini versus Union of India and others under bracket supra bracket out should also be carried out by the state governments without any further delay. Stop. Next para. A court that imposes a sentence shall also take into consideration the following principles. Quote A. A sentence should be increased or reduced to account for any relevant aggravating or mitigating circumstances relating to the offence or the offender, and without limiting the generality of the foregoing. Second, evidence that the offence was motivated by bias, prejudice or hate based on race, national or ethnic origin, language, color, religious, sex, age, mental or physical disability, sexual orientation or gender identity or expression, or on any other similar factor shall be deemed to be aggravating circumstances. Stop. Next para. In India, imposition of death sentence can be only after special reasons are recorded as per section 354 subsection 3 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. In Bachan Singh versus State of Punjab 20, this court held that while ascertaining the existence or absence of the special reasons, the court must pay due regard both to the crime and criminal. Relative weightage has to be given to the aggravating and mitigating factors depending upon the facts and circumstances of each case. Accepting the suggestions of Dr. Chitale, this court held the following factors as indicators of aggravating circumstances. Stop. Next para. When murder of a member of a scheduled caste or minority community, etc., is committed not for personal reasons but in circumstances which arouse social wrath. For instance, when such a crime is committed in order to terrorize such persons and frighten them into fleeing from a place, or in order to deprive them of or make them surrender lands or benefits conferred on them with a view to reverse past injustices and in order to restore the social balance. Stop. Next para. When the victim of murder is an innocent child who could not have or has not provided even an excuse, much less a provocation for murder, a helpless woman or a person rendered helpless by old age or infirmity, when the victim is a person vis-a-vis whom the murderer is in a position of domination or trust. Stop. Thank you very much.